Hi, my name is Lee, and I flew here from San Diego, California. I went and had a mammogram, and they told me that there was a suspicious lump with irregular edges and extra blood flow, and that it was probably cancer. It scared me to death. Now I understand what people go through when someone tells them that. I had no idea before. Then we went to see I had to go back and have another mammogram and an ultrasound, and that just, said the same thing. Then we visited a surgeon, and she told me it was most likely cancer with my age and the description and the ultrasound. And she wanted to do a biopsy. Well, I had 2 biopsies scheduled, and I canceled them both. My son was adamant that I not do that because it can spread cancer, even though doctors tell you it won't. And I knew there had to be another way, but I didn't know where it was. And fortunately, I found it, and I think from a little help from above. And I went online and Googled laser surgery for breast cancer, and there it was, Dr. Vincent Antonelli in New York on Long Island. I read everything I could find, and I think some of my friends thought I was nuts, but I wasn't. We called, they gave us an appointment, asked us questions, the things you'd expect the doctor to do, only much less than the normal routine of having 601 tests. We flew to New York, and we came in. He came out and discussed what he was going to do with me. He felt to see where the lump was. It was a little less than 2 full centimeters. He marked it, and we went in, and he had his anesthesiologist and other people in the operating room. I went right to sleep. I didn't even know I was falling asleep. And the next thing I knew, I was wide awake, and it was over. And he was out telling my husband that he was pretty positive it was benign, a fatty tumor, which was a very special gift from God. But the whole procedure was so simple. When we left, we went to the grocery store, and all I had to do was walk a lot and drink a lot of fluids, and I have to continue doing that the next week. I also have to fly home. I came back today, the day after the surgery, and he changed my dressing, took the drain out. It was so incredibly simple. And why the doctors in the United States put people through what they do with lumpectomies, which is what I had, and mastectomies, I don't understand. He does a mastectomy, and it's the same kind of treatment. You can go out that same day. You don't have the drains, you don't have the horrible pain, you're not on drugs. I took Tylenol, that was it. I didn't take any today. So you can imagine the difference and what it means to people not to go through that horrible experience. The videos that I've seen of regular mastectomies are so difficult, and this is an answer to a prayer. I was blessed that it wasn't cancer, but for all of you people that think you have breast cancer, it is way worth your time and money and effort to come to Long Island and go to Dr. Antonelli. Look on the internet, look up breast cancer laser surgery, Long Island, you'll find him, and he will be your answer.